So let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is sitting at $91,600, 91,640. It did drop towards 89,000 today, 89,200, but we wouldn't care because our support area is at 92,500. Once we lose 92,500, we don't care about any other areas because that is the bullish support that we care about. Right now, Bitcoin is sitting under that. If Bitcoin wants to get bullish again, it needs to go above 92,500 and start living above it. Now, it has already spent 4 hours under it, the one green candle. The second red one is the next 4-hour candle that it is living under this area of support. If it closes under 92,500 as well, that will be 8 hours under this region. Now, it is not a confirmation. Confirmation in such cases is always 2 days. But this would be a slight indication that Bitcoin is getting weak. Now, for Bitcoin to have an upward journey, it needs to conquer 92,500 again, and then we are back to square one of 92,500 to 97,300. That range, that is where we were playing. But if it is not able to conquer 92,500, I have to assume that Bitcoin is going to go down, and our downward journey is towards $85,000. Now today is 13th. On 15th, we have CPI data, which is in relation to inflation. I think tomorrow is also something. You can check it in my Telegram. I have a bot there. You will write slash like this, and then you write Fed. It will tell you which date is what. But I think tomorrow is something as well. Oh, tomorrow is PPI. So on 14th, there is PPI. Then on 15th, there is CPI. CPI is more important than PPI. So it's going to have an impact. Other than that, I think the whole market is bleeding because Bitcoin is bleeding. Nothing is holding well. So this bleed is more mainstream throughout the market, with an exception of 1 or 2 coins that are not bleeding as bad as Bitcoin. But if you look at Bitcoin, if Bitcoin is bleeding 3-4%, the rest of the coins are bleeding 8 to 12%. So it is the, what do you call it, the organic bleed or the authentic bleed, where Bitcoin bleeds and then altcoins bleed more. That is exactly what is happening. Altcoins are not holding strong while Bitcoin bleeds. So I don't think the overall energy in the market is there until and unless it doesn't break our areas that I have shared. I wouldn't assume anything. And this is the first time, I think, in over a month that Bitcoin has lost $90,000 support. So this is also a surprise and kind of a concern for those who are invested in Bitcoin to start looking into it, whether Bitcoin has started the downward journey. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.